Uh, right now I'm going to talking about the school schedules for the essay part. I think all the schedules is designed for the kids. Uh, start in the morning with they fresh and they don't have too many things to think about. In the morning they just start, the new day and they don't have problems in the morning. But sometimes the problems bring from the home, but it's not for the schedules like the Department of Education gives. I think it's the best schedules for the students is in the morning, and sometimes the kids doesn't sleep, good the night before, and that's the problem. Or they have the problems at home with the family, so they bring all these problems to the school, and they don't pay attention. Their attention is thinking about their problems, and I agree for the morning schedules. I know sometimes they are start very early in the morning or 7:30. Some schools they start at 7, but I think it's okay, for the kids to. The problem is to some kids don't go to the bed early, and some kids go to the bed very late in the night. So that's the problem, for the attention in the next day in the schools. And when the kids sleep good, they have a good humor in the next day, or they feel comfortable in classes and pay attention all the classes. When they sleep good. When they don't sleep good, so start the problems. They are sleeping in the classes, or they don't pay too much attention what the teacher's saying. And that's all I can tell you about the activity 1. I'm going to talking about the activity 2. It's longevity. I think the longevity it's a quality of life. Each person depends how they take care their life, the whole life. When during the process, the life. And that's the people living more, or is using sometimes when they are young and they consume too many drugs, like alcohol or smoking or any kind of addicts to anything. When they abuse for these things, of course they don't have a long life. The longevity is when you take care of your life. You make a sports, you have your life happy with your family, with your wife. That's make a difference. When to live a better life. And you have to take care yourself for your health. Go to the doctors, check up your body, your physical. Sometimes you go to the doctors only when you are sick, and say you have to go every year or every 6 months to the doctor to check anything. And that's just part of your longevity, to live long life. And Your nutrition is a part important to your life. You know, you have to eat healthy foods. You have to try to don't eat too much fries or something like that, like the doctor said. You know, the you have to follow the recommendations. Like the doctor says to have a better life. Um, that's make the difference between to have a long life or short life. Mm. That's it. That's all what I can tell you about these two activities, the essay part. Thank you.